Battle for Zendikar came out today, and for those of you who keep up with my Facebook that I never update, you'll know that I recently got into Magic, so this is actually a first attempt at a video type for me. So I'm going to do an unboxing. As you can see, I bought a box and a fat pack. For this particular fat video, I'm going to open up the fat pack. So let's start here and get this open. It's nice thick plastic. So first things first, we're gonna open this up. Nice little boxy art. We'll put it right here. Got a nice little booklet there. Extra pieces of garbage. Nice fancy box. More garbage. Got two deck boxes, or deck boxes, I said it right. So we got a nice little box there, and one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9 packs. A nice little countdown, life countdown majig. It's a dice. And 80 basic land. So, and a rules and reference card. Neat. That can go in the garbage. So, I guess we'll do the fun part and start opening the packs and see if I get anything exciting. Let's see here. Jump to the important card. I got a Beast Caller Servant. So, yay. That'll go good in my possible elf deck that I was considering building. Alright. Token card. And right to the important card. Woodland Wanderer. Neat. It's got Vigilance, Trample, and when he enters the battlefield, the 1/1 counter on for each color mana spent. So we'll go ahead and put him. We'll put the nice rare cards right here for now, on top of their decks, card stacks, whatever you want to call them. All right, and let's see here. Jump to the all-important card. Ooh, a mythic rare. I got Void Winnower. When your opponent can't cast spells with even colored mana costs, 0 is even. Your opponent can't block with creatures with even converted mana costs. That's sounds like it would be a bitch. 9 mana to put out though, so obviously a late game card, unless you got some heavy mana ramp. And Prism Array. So there's Prism Array. Let's see here. We got Sunken Hollow. Sunken Hollow enters the battlefield tapped unless you control 2 or more basic lands. Black-blue coloring. So we'll go ahead and put that there. Alright. And Brood Butcher. Devoid. When Brood Butcher enters combat, put a 1/1 colorless Eldrazi Scion creature token on the battlefield, and it has sacrifice. And then you can sacrifice a creature for a black and green mana. Target creature gets -2/2 to the end of turn. It's not bad. Alright, let's see what else we got. Alright. Ooh. This time I got a shiny Beast Caller Servant. So that's neat. It's shiny. Ooh, and I got a Guardian of Tazim. Neat. I got two rares on that one, so we'll throw that guy up top there since he was special. And we'll put the other guy there. I should probably actually go through all these and make sure I didn't get any other rare cards, since I'm just jumping to what I assume is the rare in each pack. Okay, that one's good. And there we go. These are all good. Alright. This one seems good. Just a minute. There we go. Yeah, no, he's fine. Anything else? No, the rest are as expected. I guess it's only in a full, or when you get a shiny, or a foil, if you will. They give you an extra rare, which is kind of nice. And just to make sure. Boop, there we go. Alright. 2 more packs to go. Got Ugin's Insight. There we go. And for the final pack, let's see here. Okay. Got a Foil Gideon's Reproach and Fathom Feeder. Devoid and Death Touch with Ingest. Pay 3 colorless mana, a blue and a black mana. Draw a card. Each opponent exiles the top card of his or her library. So there we go. So, and then that's all garbage. So, this is what I opened in my fat pack. So, got a couple decent cards, at least decent rare cards, as well as a mythic rare, which was nice. And my full art swamps. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Liked what you see here? Go ahead and rate, comment, or subscribe. If you didn't like, go ahead and rate and comment. We'd still like to hear from you.